Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify bank routing and account numbers with Plaid easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify bank routing and account numbers using Plaid, start by creating a Plaid account if you haven't done so already. Visit the Plaid website and sign up for a developer account. Once registered, log in to your Plaid dashboard. Create a new application by selecting the option for Create an Application. Take note of your API keys, as you will need them to connect to the Plaid API. Next, decide on the specific Plaid products you want to use. For verifying bank accounts, you will primarily need the Auth product. Once you have your application set up, you will integrate the Plaid Link component. Include the Plaid Link JavaScript library in your application. This will enable users to enter their bank details securely. Next, initialize Plaid Link with your client's public key and the product you've selected. Set up the onSuccess function to capture the public token upon successful connection. Store the public token, as it will be needed for verification. On your backend server, exchange the public token for an access token using the Plaid API. This access token allows you to make additional requests. Now, use this access token to call the auth endpoint. The response will include the routing and account numbers. Verify that these numbers match your records as part of your verification process. If everything checks out, you'll confirm the bank account is valid. Remember to handle potential errors gracefully throughout the process. With these steps, you have successfully verified bank routing and account numbers using Plaid. Make sure to follow Plaid's best practices for security and compliance during integration. This method ensures a reliable way to confirm bank account details securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.